YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, today we're going to talk about some PEPE. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin. The market's pumping, but before we get into that, I got to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This here ain't financial advice. Don't buy nothing you see in this video. You got to go out and do your own research and make your buying decisions a result of your own due diligence, right? So as you guys can see, total market cap coming in at a 3.47 trillion. Fear index coming in at a 68. The market looking like it might be starting to see a recovery, right? We did talk about the fact that if we can have a good solid close, maybe we could even see like 115 by Tuesday, possibly on Bitcoin. That was kind of my prediction. If again, we have a good solid close, we are at some key levels of resistance right now, right? We could have had a rising wedge forming here earlier today, right before we started breaking down. By the way, it's my birthday, so if we do end up breaking up on my birthday, that would be a great birthday present for me. But again, price is looking like it might want to make some kind of recovery pretty soon, right? Creating higher lows here on the 1 month. And that's really what I've been saying on my channel for the past couple weeks now. We are still creating higher lows. You know, we are right here. I was mostly concerned just because we had some sideways price action, but you guys could see we had our little early in the week fake out, double bottom, shot up, and again we're just creating higher lows on the monthly, so it's just making me feel good about the price. Also on our 1 year, we have a nice cup and handle playing out here, as well as a nice double bottom. We have a bull flag here, a bull flag here, and then possibly another breakout. My opinion, this thing has not really printed that big green candle that I feel like it can print based off of a lot of these indicators, right? This cup and handle right here, this can have some significant upside, as well as a bull flag too can have some significant upside. We've seen it have some upside here, right? We dropped down, we create this bull flag, and then had a big run up. Same thing here, bull flag, big run up, right? Are we going to see a big run up to that 115 by maybe Thursday? That would be totally insane. Very, very possible, to be honest with you guys. But at the same time, anything can happen in crypto, right? So we always have to just be paying attention to that. So you guys could see here on the peanut gallery, 82% of people bullish on it, 18% of people not feeling so good. And let's see kind of what they're saying over here on the side. Michael Saylor talking about proof of reserves is a bad idea. Exposes users and institutions to cyber attacks and data breaches. I can understand that. I do see how a lot of this government intervention, including KYC, is actually. I don't think KYC is a good idea. Personally, I understand they have to do that for fraud and this and that, but again, you're having people put in social security numbers, you're having them put in private information, and you guys see what just happened with Coinbase, right? So again, I don't think that KYC is safe for our people to do, but I could see why governments would want to do that so that they can monitor. But again, I don't think that's safe. Also, you have to go through websites that have KYC. I just want to say that too. Like, you can't be trading on website. You're not supposed to be trading on websites that don't have KYC. So you make sure that whatever platform that you're trading on is in full compliance. Otherwise, your money is at risk. Of course, whenever you have your money on another exchange, your money's at risk, right? Your crypto is not your own unless it's in your wallet, right? These big exchanges, they go down all the time. And so again, just make sure you're not keeping your money on an exchange. That's not a good idea. Some people saying BTC die, you're in the way, and altcoin season won't happen. Interesting. My Roman Empire is a world run on Bitcoin. Interesting. What do you guys think? Are you bullish on Bitcoin or are you bearish? Again, I'm feeling bullish on it. I like the price action that we're seeing this week. I think that we already seen our early in the week fake out. Hopefully, maybe we might be seeing it today also, but you know, hopefully we've already seen early in the week fake out and prices could start printing. You guys could see our market slowly coming back to life. Ethereum up 4% today, which is really solid. XRP moving a little bit slower, only up 0.10, but that Ethereum letting me know that again, maybe we will see an altcoin cycle pretty soon, right? Seems like everything else is pretty few and far between, but these DeFi projects seem like they're growing, right? 3.32. And that's what I told you guys, that the first thing that's probably going to move is DeFi, right? I would expect DeFi to move first, and then I would expect a lot of these other altcoins to move. And so again, we've been talking a lot about Ethereum on the channel, but we've also been talking about a couple other coins that have just been in huge demand. And so let's talk about some Pepe, right? As you guys can see, big Pepe coming in at number 25, right? Moving its way up, climbing up the ladder, right? Up this, in terms of market cap, you guys can see it's coming in at a $5.8 billion market cap today, and just looking huge, right? Up 56% on the month. On the year, this bad boy is up as well. Or no, it's actually down 17%. I'm sorry. But you guys could see creating a nice bull flag here. If the market wants to make a reversal, not a reversal or an uptrend, but if the market wants to continue breaking out, I do think that there is a chance that Pepe coin can see a recovery, right? We were just seeing some good positive price action before Bitcoin started acting a little bit funky, but in my opinion, this thing is primed. It was just trending just the other day. So again, I'm very interested to see, like this guy said, is Pepe going to be a SHIB competitor, or is Pepe really going to be, I really want to know if Pepe is going to be the Shiba Inu of this cycle. SHIB went all the way up to like 40 billion. Dogecoin went up to like 80 billion. Again, Pepe is still sitting at 5 billion right now. And a lot of people think that this is a high market cap, but to be honest with you guys, this is a very low market cap in my opinion. This entire crypto space is low market cap, and that's why, again, things are so volatile. As always, I'm not investing money I can't afford to lose because I'm getting ready for big swings in the market. I know it's definitely a possibility that we can see this neckline break down on Pepe as well. Look, we have a shoulder, head, shoulder here, and Pepe might see a retest of some lower ranges if Bitcoin does not decide it wants to pull up and see some good price action. Maybe Pepe will start dumping down. But again, this 1 year chart is the one that I'm more paying attention to. This nice bull flag. I'm treating this like a zone of accumulation. I think a lot of people are accumulating right now, but again, it's not to say that these prices are for sure going to go up. You can see the market sentiment over here on Pepe. 87% of people bullish, 13% of people thinking that we might be going down. 1 million people following it over here, and Pepe coin still under 500,000 holders, which is totally crazy to me because in my opinion, I feel like this is a coin that is on a lot of retail's radar, or at least they've heard about it, at least they know about it, right? A lot of these other coins, they have not been as established as Pepe. Pepe's been around for a long time, guys. We've been talking about Pepe now on the channel for literally for years. So we will see if Pepe will go to the moon, right? It's definitely something that we've been paying attention to. But what do you guys think? Are you bullish on Pepe? Is this a coin that you're holding? How long have you been holding it? As you guys could see, this guy saying he's bullish, so that other guy saying that he's hopeful. I do think that retail is going to be attracted to coins that they've seen in the past, coins that they feel like will do well based off of their limited knowledge of the space. And I think that some of these meme coins have a good chance of picking back up and going to some new all-time highs. Pepe coin is one coin that I do think that could possibly do that. You guys could see it's about halfway to its last all-time high, right? But we've been talking about this thing, guys, literally since way back here. One of the first channels to cover Pepe. And so again, I'm curious to know, is Pepe going to see some more upside? I want to know what you guys think, though. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you're not yet tapped into the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Every like, every comment, every subscription, it all helps in the algorithm, and it's free. So do that, support the channel. I appreciate all you guys. And yeah, today's my birthday, so hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.